In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a header in LibreOffice Writer. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the header option, how to apply it to the right page style, and how to start adding professional-looking information at the top of your pages. First, open LibreOffice Writer. You can start with a new blank document or open an existing one where you want a header. Headers are great for repeating content like a document title, your name, the date, or page-related details that should appear on every page. With your document open, look to the menu bar at the very top of the screen. Click Insert. This is where LibreOffice collects tools for adding elements to your document, and it's the home for header controls. If you don't immediately see the menu bar, make sure you're in the standard Writer interface and not another LibreOffice app. From the Insert menu, hover over Header and Footer, then select Header. This tells Writer you want to enable a header area. You're not adding content yet. You're just turning on the space where that content will live. Next, you'll see a list of page styles. Click the page style you're using. Most documents rely on default style unless you've customized your layout. Page styles control things like margins and page size, and enabling the header for a specific style ensures it appears on every page that uses that style. If your document uses multiple styles, just pick the one relevant to the pages where you want the header to appear. Now the header area will appear at the top of your page. Click inside it to start typing your content. You can type a title, a short description, or any repeatable information you need. Use the standard formatting tools to adjust font, size, and alignment. Many people center the document title, left align a name, or right align a date. You can also use the Tab key to create spacing. Keep your header concise so it looks clean and doesn't compete with the main text. If you want to return to the main document, simply click in the body area below the header. Your header will repeat automatically on subsequent pages that share the same page style, helping your document look polished and consistent. That's it. Your header is set up and ready. Remember to save your document so your changes stick. With these steps, you can quickly add professional headers to reports, essays, and any document where consistent information at the top of each page makes a difference.